Where was the Garden of Eden? For thousands of years, people have sought its exact location. The garden was planted by God, but is it real? Could the Bible reveal secrets to help us find it? Let's delve into the divine mystery together. In Genesis chapter 2, there's a vivid description of Eden. The text outlines Eden as a real place, not just symbolic. A river flows out of Eden, dividing into 4 streams. These 4 rivers spark curiosity and endless speculation. Yet, we face a significant challenge today. The modern world looks nothing like the ancient one. Rivers have shifted. Landscapes have transformed. Civilizations once thriving have vanished without a trace. Natural disasters have reshaped our geography dramatically. Floods, quakes, and climate shifts have altered everything. Thus, our quest for Eden grows increasingly complex. Each hint in the Bible may lead us deeper into mystery. The ancient world still holds potential secrets for us. If Eden existed, its clues might lie beneath our feet. We must explore ancient maps of Mesopotamia carefully. As we visualize and reconstruct ancient landscapes, let's keep our senses alert to any signs of Eden. Ancient rivers, fertile valleys, and rich vegetation call us. In our pursuit of Eden, history and geography intertwine. So, let's remain curious as we continue our search. The quest for Eden is a journey into our past. Stay engaged and discover what the land could reveal. The secrets of the garden await the brave explorer. Are you ready to join the search for Eden? As we unravel clues, remember, the journey is just beginning. Let the mystery of Eden captivate your imagination. The answers may lie hidden beneath the ancient world. Have you ever wondered about the Garden of Eden's real location? Today, we will investigate Genesis chapter 2. Our goal is to explore geographical clues about Eden's rivers. Let's begin with an ancient parchment manuscript. This manuscript contains the biblical text of Genesis. Now, focus on the description of Eden. It mentions a river flowing from Eden, dividing into 4 branches. The 4 rivers named are crucial to our understanding. The first river is Pishon. Next, we have Gihon. Then, the Tigris and Euphrates follow. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers are well-known landmarks. Let's look at aerial reconstructions of these rivers. They flow through the cradle of ancient Mesopotamia. Understanding these rivers is significant for our investigation. If we can identify 2 rivers, we may unlock more clues. But Pishon and Gihon remain uncertainties in our search. The Pishon is associated with the land of Havilah. This land contains gold, bdellium, and precious stones. Let's explore ancient gold deposits and mineral-rich landscapes. These areas could be linked to our search for Eden. Now, let's introduce Gihon. Gihon is described as surrounding the land of Cush. But identifying ancient geographical names is challenging. Names have changed over thousands of years. It's important to distinguish biblical text from later interpretations. Genesis provides clues, but they can be difficult to pin down. So, do these clues suggest one specific location? Or do they point to a world that may no longer exist? As we transition, take a look at an ancient map of Mesopotamia. Reflect on the mysteries we uncovered today. The Garden of Eden is still an enigma waiting to be solved. Explore these concepts further as you continue your journey. Have you ever wondered if the Garden of Eden existed in Mesopotamia? This tutorial dives into the history of ancient Mesopotamia. Our goal is to uncover its potential ties to Eden. First, let's set the scene. View a sweeping aerial shot of the Fertile Crescent. Notice the Tigris and Euphrates rivers flowing through the land. This area is fertile and rich in agriculture, contrasted by the surrounding desert. Mesopotamia translates to land between the rivers. Next, observe ancient settlements developing by the waterways. Reconstruct scenes of early cities bursting with life. See irrigation canals, mud brick houses, and bustling farmers. Watch merchants trading goods and boats navigating the rivers. As we explore, consider why Mesopotamia is linked to the Garden of Eden. Its geographical relationship with the Tigris and Euphrates is vital. Show ancient maps that align with modern geographical maps. Transition softly between these images to highlight similarities. Discuss the biblical account of Eden's landscape. It connects with major rivers, emphasizing lush environments. However, remember, pinpointing Mesopotamia does not confirm Eden's exact location. Now, let's tackle an important problem. The modern rivers may not follow their ancient paths. Show animations of river channels changing over millennia. Highlight sediment deposition, flooding events, and geological shifts. Explain how ancient river systems behave unpredictably. They can disappear, merge, split, or shift over time. End this section with a striking shot of a river, fading below sediment layers. As a thought-provoking conclusion, ask the viewers, is the real question about where Eden is now or where it used to be? This invites deep reflection on the landscape over time. Transition smoothly to the ancient Persian Gulf. Encourage your viewers to continue exploring this fascinating topic. Have you ever wondered about disappearing ancient rivers? They hold secrets of our past. Today, we will investigate ancient river systems in Arabia. Our goal is to understand vanished waterways and their implications. Let's dive into the first step. We'll start with satellite imagery. This shows us the Middle East's geological layout. Now, watch as we transition into reconstructions. These animations reveal landscapes from ancient times. Rivers leave behind geological traces. Even when their surface channels vanish, traces remain. Next, we consider the ancient rivers of Arabia. Evidence suggests they once thrived here. Imagine prehistoric waterways flowing through what is now desert. Visualize ancient grasslands filled with life. These landscapes hosted lakes, rivers, and wildlife. Early human migration routes connected these vital resources. Now let's transition to the present. The Arabian desert contrasts sharply with ancient ecosystems. Researchers found signs of these ancient waterways. They offer clues about past climates. But let's clarify one thing. We won't claim any river is definitively the Pishon. Instead, we'll explore several proposed locations for the Pishon. Each theory presents strengths and weaknesses. We'll compare maps to visualize suggestions and possibilities. As we explore, consider this question. Could one of these vanished rivers be the mysterious Pishon? We conclude with an unresolved mystery. The origins of the Pishon remain elusive. Finally, let's transition toward the Persian Gulf. Ancient coastlines invite further exploration and discovery. Thank you for joining this archaeological journey. Embrace the mystery and keep exploring. Aerial shots reveal the modern Persian Gulf's stunning beauty. Now, imagine a different time, a different landscape. Sea levels have altered our planet's features dramatically. Once, ancient rivers flowed effortlessly through this region. They converged toward a verdant lowland, a potential Eden. The Persian Gulf may have had different geographical boundaries long ago. Scholars theorize that a fertile area existed near its head. This fascinating idea suggests it could link to the Garden of Eden. But remember, this remains a hypothesis, not a proven fact. Visualize ancient rivers meandering toward a lush expanse. Rising sea levels have hidden many of these landscapes beneath water. observes stunning underwater geological formations and reconstructions. Yet, with every theory comes its limitations. Eden's location isn't merely about past fertility. We must consider the 4 rivers mentioned in Genesis. Could those ancient rivers differ significantly from today's Tigris and Euphrates? Imagine their courses shifting over thousands of years. Visualize maps transitioning from ancient to modern views. Reflect on how history can reshape our understanding of geography. In summary, the Persian Gulf hypothesis is compelling yet complex. The unanswered questions only deepen our intrigue. We encourage you to explore these connections further. What do you think about the location of Eden? The exploration continues. Dive in and share your thoughts. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers hold significant biblical clues. But where did the river from Eden split? This investigation will uncover their importance in Genesis. Let's start with stunning footage of the Tigris and Euphrates. Notice their winding paths through modern landscapes. Transition back through historical maps showcasing ancient roots. These rivers are more than just water sources. The names carry deep significance in ancient traditions. The Tigris appears in various forms in Near Eastern texts. The Euphrates, well known, is vital to understanding this region. Next, let's explore ancient Babylonian maps. Clay tablets provide insights into these rivers' cultural relevance. Identifying them connects biblical geography with Mesopotamia's vast history. Now, let's address a critical question. Where exactly did the river flowing from Eden divide? We'll use animated maps to visualize potential locations. Consider northern and southern Mesopotamia, and areas near the Persian Gulf. Historians and archaeologists haven't agreed on a single site. Each theory has its supporters, but none is definitive. We'll distinguish between biblical narratives and archaeological findings. Evidence highlights the Tigris and Euphrates clearly. However, 2 other rivers remain elusive. This mystery invites exploration of Pishon and Gihon's possible locations. In summary, 2 major rivers are identified, but 2 remain unknown. As our camera pans towards the mysterious regions, remember the connections we've uncovered. Apply this knowledge. Investigate ancient texts and maps further. Embrace the depth of biblical geography and keep exploring. Have you ever wondered where the Pishon and Gihon rivers are? These ancient rivers hold secrets within a landscape shrouded in mystery. Our goal today is to uncover their hidden stories. Let's start with the clues from Genesis. The Pishon flows through the land of Havilah. Havilah is renowned for its gold and precious materials. Visualize ancient mining regions rich with treasures. Picture the arid desert landscapes echoing history's whispers. Now, let's turn our attention to the Gihon. The Gihon encircles the land of Cush. However, the term Cush poses a geographical riddle. Often linked to areas south of Egypt, Cush's meaning could vary widely. Scholars have several interpretations of Cush's location. Yet, no explanation is definitively proven. As we explore maps, observe the shifting boundaries across Mesopotamia, Arabia, and Africa. Many Eden theories face challenges. The 4 rivers struggle to align on today's maps. This prompts the essential question: are we looking at the wrong map? Let's delve deeper into the ancient world before the great biblical flood. With each clue and interpretation, we pull back layers of history. Remember, the Pishon and Gihon rivers are more than just names. They link us to a complex tapestry of ancient geography. We encourage you to delve into these mysteries. Examine maps, explore ancient texts, and keep questioning. Together, we can uncover the truths hidden in our past. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey. Dark clouds gather over a stark ancient landscape. Questions rise about Eden's location. How does the flood narrative influence this mystery? Genesis places Eden before the flood story. Accepting this narrative introduces a key question. Could the landscape have changed dramatically afterward? Imagine powerful torrents engulfing the land. Rivers overflow, sediments shift, and channels change. Scientific evidence shows floods alter landscapes over time. Now, let's return to the biblical narrative. Picture an ancient map slowly disappearing beneath rising waters. This visual illustrates a major challenge for pinpointing Eden today. The original landscape may not match modern maps perfectly. However, this does not prove Eden was wiped away. It merely offers a possible explanation for its uncertainty. As the ancient landscape fades into mist, we ponder its fate. Perhaps Eden was never meant to be found easily. Now, let's explore archaeological evidence related to this enigmatic place. Have you ever wondered where the Garden of Eden might be? In this video, we will explore archaeological evidence about Eden's location. Our goal is to reveal the major theories and findings related to this ancient inquiry. Let's start our journey in an archaeological excavation. Imagine the scene. Archaeologists dig through layers of earth. They unearth pottery, clay tablets, and ancient maps. These items provide vital clues about early civilizations. Archaeology has revealed a treasure trove of information, particularly from Mesopotamia and the ancient Near East. We now see reconstructions of Sumerian cities. Look closely at the Babylonian civilization and its impressive irrigation systems. This evidence shows how ancient societies thrived along the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. However, despite the wealth of discoveries, we have not found Eden. No universally accepted site has been identified as the Garden of Eden. It's crucial to differentiate evidence from speculation. Let's rank the major theories about the Garden of Eden. First on the list is the Mesopotamian Eden theory. It suggests Eden is located in modern-day Iraq. Next up is the Persian Gulf theory, focusing on southern Mesopotamia. This idea centers on flooding and changes in geography over time. Third, we have Arabian Peninsula theories. These propose alternative locations but often lack strong archaeological support. Fourth are the northern Mesopotamian theories. They speculate about regional connections but remain inconclusive. Finally, we consider symbolic or theological interpretations. These see Eden as a metaphor rather than a physical place. Now, let's discuss the strengths and weaknesses of each theory. The Mesopotamian Eden theory aligns closely with biblical texts but lacks specific coordinates. The Persian Gulf theory has geological backing but is debated among scholars. Arabic theories are compelling yet not universally accepted. Northern theories are controversial but offer interesting perspectives. Lastly, symbolic interpretations provide rich theological insight, though lack geographical evidence. The biblical text provides some geographical details, yet it omits exact coordinates. A tantalizing puzzle remains for us to solve. The narrator states, the search for Eden is not simply a treasure hunt. This quest blends ancient geography, language, theology, and history. As we conclude, our camera slowly zooms in on an ancient, blank map section. This signifies the ongoing quest for answers. Now, we invite you to ponder the mysteries we've discussed. Apply your newfound knowledge about the search for Eden. Until our next archaeological adventure. As we conclude our journey, let's revisit key clues. The biblical text in Genesis mentions the 4 rivers. The Tigris and Euphrates are well-known names. But what about Pishon and Gihon? Ancient locations add to our intrigue. Havilah and Cush evoke images of rich lands. Mesopotamia serves as a pivotal point in history. The Persian Gulf is another area of interest. Ancient river systems paint a vivid picture. Landscapes shifting through time leave us curious. Now, let's draw this together. There's no universally accepted location for Eden. Yet, the scriptural hints guide us toward ancient Near Eastern lands. The Tigris and Euphrates offer connections in our search. Theories regarding ancient rivers help us ponder. They show potential locations that may have existed together. Still, Pishon and Gihon remain much debated. As we visualize our findings, several locations become apparent. They emerge on the cinematic map, then fade away. Perhaps the greatest mystery of Eden is more than just a place. The text provided geographical clues long ago. These clues challenge us thousands of years later. Imagining Eden invites us deeper. Now visualize a peaceful garden, surrounded by tranquil rivers. Distant mountains enhance its beauty. Slowly, the camera pulls back, revealing a larger landscape. Was Eden a lost place of time? Did geological changes transform this paradise? Or was its purpose to point beyond mere geography? Pause for thought. Whatever the answer, our quest for Eden persists. Fade to black. The real location of the Garden of Eden, some mysteries fade with history. Others remain as we continue to seek. End with a rise of cinematic orchestral music and a slow fade out.